folks. Thank you for joining me for the Harrison Repair Show. I'm Brian Harrison. Actually, I just called Harrison Repairs. Um, and yeah, I just want to leave a friendly reminder. Don't please forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on the video. And if you're on Rumble, follow me there. Um, I upload videos there too. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook. And links and descriptions are in the home pages of both YouTube and Rumble. Um, I want to say that I hope you enjoy the show, whether we're repairing something, whether we're showing tools that you can buy, simple, maybe even simple tools to help you with a repair. But I hope you enjoy today's video. So please sit back and let's begin the show. Well, hello folks. Today we're looking at another type of tool that you can use. This one actually you can use for your car. Actually, you could use it for probably other things. But let's open it up. It's in this cool case. You know, you can carry it with you. The handle. Alright. Here we go. Let's open up this. And voila, it's an air pump. Actually, this one works. I like this little air pump. There's instructions. I keep the instructions with it. So if I take it out to the car. But here's your air pump. Let's zoom that in. And you have your power and all that stuff. Yeah. I think it's a cool little deal. We hardly use it. It also has, so you don't have to, it doesn't have a battery. You just plug it into your car. And with this, we haven't used it. We bought it to use it and we don't. It's one of those things, it seems to happen to us. We buy it to use it because you get one of your tires low and we haven't had low tire since. It's just weird how that works for us. It may not work for everybody, but it works for us for some stupid reason. We have the tool and the car's like, oh no, we're fine, you know, and yeah. Anyway, so I haven't used this yet. Totally. I did try it out, but I haven't used it. I haven't had the need to use it for a car or anything. And so it just try to look the best you can. We felt this was a decent one, and it was like you can carry it with you and take it with you. So yeah, we got this on Amazon. You can get them from the store too and stuff. You know, just look and see what air pumps you can get to pump up your car. I think two types of air pumps are kind of awesome. One is you have one plugged in maybe into your garage if you have a garage. If you don't live in an apartment, you can't do that, then buy something that you can carry with you. If you have the privilege to have something to carry with you, maybe even have something to carry with you in your car, and then something you can have, you know, in your home too. Just, you know, double it up, I guess. But anyway, this is what this is. It fits in this nice little bag. There's instructions for it. There's even like little, like different sizes. You could probably pump up, I would say you could pump up basketballs and car tires and all that. So that's what these are. And we're not going to open them out because I don't want to lose any of them. I just throw them there at the bottom. And there you go. So I hope I think everybody should have stuff for their cars, for their home. I'm always a person of that because it's nice when you can fix it yourself. I've had to get things over time. That's the problem, to fix it myself. Maybe someone couldn't fix it, so it was better for me to buy the tool and fix it. The first tool I knew I had to buy to fix something of mine was a power drill. And just for, you know, fixing a screw, to screw in something tighter or that I couldn't do with a hand screwdriver. So, and it worked, and I still use it to this day. It wasn't and it's not bad, but it wasn't exactly like, I didn't spend like exorbitant amount on it, but I don't use it very often. So, sometimes cheap tools work as well as good tools. It also depends on how you treat your tools. Some people don't treat their tools very well. It doesn't matter what they buy, but I treat my tools fairly well. I treat my tools pretty good. I'm careful with them, so they last me. I still have them. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at this. Oh, by the way, it has a handle. You can carry it, but it has a handle in the bag to protect this, which is nice. I love this. That has its own bag. I just store it in our house right now. But anyway, you can get one. Maybe have one in your home, one in your car. If you can. If you can't, then we just have one, and it stays in our home. So anyway, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, this little look. And I just mainly showing this as a hopefully inspiration for people that even during this hard economy time, maybe try to focus, and that's what we do. We focus first on what we need, then if we have some money, we may buy a movie or something like that, or a game. But sometimes it's good to focus on what you can do for yourself, and it may save you money in the long run. Like buying this simple $20 air pump or whatever, $30 air pump, $30 air pump may end up saving me hundreds of dollars later, because then I could do it for myself instead of relying on someone else to do it for me. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna zip this back up. It's a cool bag. I like it. Protects it, keeps it safe. I could take it with me and have the other contents there. But I will leave with some closing thoughts and see you guys later. I want to thank you for joining us for the Harrison Repair. I guess we call it Harrison Repair Show, but it's actually Harrison Repairs. I hope you enjoyed what we showed you today on video. And when we do these things, we take a camera and go and show you. We're not talking about it on a green screen all the time. So I want to thank you for whatever. If we showed you a repair or tool, thank you so much. But please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on our videos, and it helps us out a lot. And don't forget to follow us on Rumble and on Facebook. And yeah, I just want to thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a nice day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.